Guys, let me take you through this amazing transformation. My client came in wanting a cool brunette shade and maintain her length. Dealing with long regrowth of darker bases requires time, but prolonged processing can sometimes compromise the integrity of the lengths and ends. That's where Innoluxe comes in. I start off with adding the Innoluxe Rebond to my lightener. I love that it not just protects the hair but also doesn't slow down the lightening process and allows me to have the vibrancy that we're looking for. Once processed, I rinse off the lightener and go in with the V3 Balance Plus. This will calm the hair down and restore the softness and health. I'm going to let my client relax now for 10 minutes while it does its work. And here is the result. Healthy, shiny hair even after a big change. Unlike other plexes, Innoluxe doesn't just protect the hair but also repairs, strengthens and provides stunning visible results. It also comes with a start to finish solution and a complete aftercare range that you can use at home. Don't forget to check it out.